Good morning and welcome to a new demo of Enabley. Today we are going to see how a functional manager can create a microlearning in just a couple of minutes and deliver it to all his employees in a really easy way, and how these employees can access it among any device just with a click. First of all, we click on Create New. Today we are going to create a new stream. Here we decide the name of the course, in this case, Electric System, to know how to repair an electric system and engines for vehicles. We can choose an image, copyright free, and decide to deliver this course only to registered users or to allow to invite guests. Again, we click on Create New, select the name of the microlearning, and then we have a couple of advanced settings such as run as an assessment, to must complete all the questions embedded in the course to continue, etc. We click on Create, and now we can just drag and drop an existing course or learning lecture, and in just a few seconds the content is uploaded, processed, and ready to be used. We click on Import, and the first thing that the platform allows us is a series of questions created by artificial intelligence that makes our life easier. As we can see, we have different types of questions like join concepts or fill the blanks with keywords. When we finish doing our course, preparing the course and add questions, we can publish it, and now we are ready to deliver the content to all our employees. We click on Manage, and then we can invite registered employees or share as a link or as a QR code. So now with our mobile phone we can access it really easy. As we see now, an employee can access anytime and in any moment to the course to read about how to repair a specific device. We are also working in a new feature that will allow users to record videos and share it with the rest of their workmates. So we allow to create a shared knowledge among all the employees and among all departments inside the company. Thank you very much, and see you in the next video.